Single file restart. This is Open Novice, the first of the heat races. Since we only had 3 laps complete, we were not at the 2/3 mark. We will do a single file restart. They back it up a lap from when the incident happened. Line the riders up. Each rider behind the rider in front of them. They key off of the rider in front of them. So the number 6 machine, Aaron's going to lead them out. Henry sits in second. He's going to key off of Aaron. Aaron hesitated just slightly on number 6. Henry got a better jump, but he picks it back up as they went down the back straight. Now he's wide. Aaron down is down to the front. That'll be 4 laps in the books. Whoa! Front wheel sends him out. Joseph Ferrero on the 77 machine running in 3rd.